My name's Haven Frost Honeycutt, and I studied jewelry at SCAD, and I work for Perry's as a jeweler. Perry's is a very unique place. A lot of the stuff that we bring in are unique alloys that might not be modern, or gemstones that just don't exist in the modern field. My job is to repair and make those look brand new. There's a lot of responsibility that comes with that. We want to try and keep the essence of the piece. Jewelry for me started in high school. I designed 3 of the championship rings that I have in my own collection. That championship ring is what dragged me into running, and I think running for me, it is the very heart of what started this passion and this career. Being a student athlete at SCAD is a really unique experience. There are very few places in the world that you're able to do both of those. The Humanity Necklace for me was an opportunity to show off all the skill set I've learned at SCAD. Graduating with the STEM degree, where we're really designing these pieces to be functional, because it really is like miniature engineering. I made it to question not only why did I make it, but even how I put it together. And it really gave me an opportunity to express what I wanted to express to the maximum potential. I think the university over-delivered on my expectations. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that I wouldn't get anywhere else.